While future projections of climate change paint a rather grim prognosis for our planet, mitigative and adaptive measures offer solutions to many issues that we will soon face. For example, food shortages in the coming years are predicted in several parts of the world because of both indirect and direct climate change impacts. Direct impacts to crops and livestock include increased flooding, drought, shifts in the timing and amount of rainfall, and high temperatures, and indirect impacts include increased soil erosion from heavy storms and increased pest and disease pressure on crops and livestock caused by warmer temperatures. In Africa, the stress is a combination of food unavailability, inaccessibility, and production instability. To address these issues, adaptation measures like sustainable intensification have been integrated into local agroecosystems. The Sustainable Intensification of Maize and Legumes in East and Southern Africa program, run by the Australian Centre for International Agricultural Research, has succeeded in educating farmers in rural villages, like those within the western region of Kenya. The program focuses on teaching villages conservation agricultural practices that will combat reduced resource availability and increase annual crop yields and varieties of maize and legumes. If successful, the program will increase maize and legume productivity by 30% for at least 500,000 farmers in Ethiopia, Kenya, Malawi, Mozambique, and Tanzania over the next decade. As such, any positive returns from adaptation methods such as this agricultural program in Africa will benefit countries around the globe, as food insecurity issues are inevitable in our future.